you had an awesome Halloween. So welcome back to my channel. As I have promised to you guys, I'm gonna create Halloween tutorials, Halloween look for you guys for the whole month of November every Thursday. So if you're new here, my name is Ysay and I upload travel vlogs every Tuesdays and makeup tutorials every Thursday. So please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell to keep you updated on my latest video. So if you want to see how I create this look, keep on watching.
To start my makeup, I'm using my e.l.f. face primer and I'm just spreading it all over my face using my fingers. Next, my L'Oreal Infallible foundation and just dabbing it gently using my e.l.f. sponge and making it smooth transition. Then after my foundation, I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer and just putting it under my eyes and dabbing with the same sponge. Using my Real Techniques brush, face brush, I'm using the Physicians Formula face foundation and dabbing it gently all over my face to seal the foundation and concealer. Using my Japanese angle brush, I'm dipping it to the NARS bronzer and just doing my contour, dabbing it gently all over my face. Now I'm taking my Real Techniques brush and dipping it in the Coastal Scents blush palette and just dabbing it gently all over my cheekbone. With my MAC brush, I'm dipping it to the Makeup Revolution highlighter and just creating a highlight to my face, under my brow, and also to my bridge of my nose. Now I'm going back to the Coastal Scents blush palette and taking a smaller brush and dipping it in a darker brown or bronzer color and just trying to contour my nose. With this fluffy buffing brush, we're using a JACKELYN Heel eyeshadow palette 2 for this look. So I'm taking this shade, a brown shade, for my crease and blending it nicely. With my flat shader brush, I'm dipping it on this red shade and dabbing it gently on my lids. And now we're taking another flat shader brush and dipping it on a darker shade and I'm putting it in my outer V, or inner V I mean, and blending it all over my crease. Now I'm taking my clean Real Techniques buffing brush and I'm just cleaning some rough edges over my crease and blending the shadows very nicely. With the same brush, I'm dipping it on the brown shade and just dabbing it gently all over my crease to blend and marry all the colors together. Now I'm using my e.l.f. flat shader brush and spraying it with my e.l.f. facial mist. We're dipping it to the shadow Empowered, and we're gonna add it gently to my lids. The flat shader brush is not picking up the shadow, so I'm just using my ring finger to apply it, just dabbing it gently all over my lid, and it gives me a very nice color payoff. Now I'm using my Real Techniques small shader brush, and I'm dipping it on the shadow Heart On and just gently applying it under my lash line to finish the look. And I think I need more depth on my outer V, so I'm taking this small shader brush and I'm dipping it on the shadow Temptress. It's a black shade, and applying it to my inner V and trying to smoke it out. And for my eyeliner, I'm using the L'Oreal Blackest Black. It's a 24-hour gel liner. And guys, to finish up the look, after putting on my eyeliner, let me put on my mascara and my falsies. And with my falsies, I use the Live-In Lashes from Velour. It's a premium synthetic lashes, 100% vegan and cruelty-free, which I love. And I love the effect. It's dramatic, and yeah, I really like how it looks. And to finish up, I'm using Buxom Lip Plumper before putting on my ColourPop London Fog shade for my lips. And just to finalize the look, I'm gonna put on my horn for me to look like a devil. And with my horn, I bought this from the Dollar Tree, which is just $1. And to finish up the look, I'm just twisting up my hair to make it more fluffier and putting on the headband or my horn to finish up the look. And here's the finished look.
And yes guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching the tutorial and you find this tutorial very helpful. This is an easy devil wearable look for you for Halloween. So please let me know in the comments down below if you enjoyed watching or if you love to recreate this look. It is very easy for Halloween, and as promised, I'm gonna upload more tutorials, makeup tutorials for Halloween for you guys, even though the Halloween is done. But anyway, it's November, so for the whole month of November, I'm gonna recreate different Halloween looks for you. So I hope you enjoyed watching, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And I hope to see you on my next video. Happy Halloween! Enjoy the holidays! Bye!